So hey guys, welcome back to a very special video of me. And I hope you are well at your home. You are staying safe at your home. This is not going to be a cooking vlog or any challenges, but title देख के आप लोगों को पता लग ही गया होगा कि what is this video about. Yes, I am going to show you some of my birthday presents which were given to me by my friends, by my family members, by my mom and dad. And वैसे भी I was going to show this all in that video, but that video got so big, therefore I decided to divide this video into two parts. So I decided कि whatever will be my birthday presents and all I will be showing in another video, and the celebration video will be that. So the remaining things which I did not show in that video will be here step by step. And if you haven't watched that video yet, go and watch that video. Link is in my description box and go and visit that video. So let's start. तो उस दिन यू ऑल नो कि 21 जून को बहुत सारे अलग अलग दिन थे, लाइक योगा डे, फादर्स डे, इक्लिप्स डे, लॉन्गेस्ट डे ऑफ द ईयर एंड ऑल्सो माई बर्थडे. सो टॉकिंग स्पेशली अबाउट फादर्स डे, my father did something for me and I got that gift at night, and that gift is a video clip in which he sang a song for me, and that song is so amazing and it was really so nice, and I want to share that song with you all. So just watch that song and come back to me.
जो हम तुम संग है तो फिर क्या जाना, तू मेरा है तू मेरी जान.
It is मेरे दिल के करीब, and it is really so surprising for me. So thank you once again, and thank you so much for that clip, Dad. And I really loved that song so much, and so I hope you all also like that song, क्योंकि मुझे personally वो song बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया, क्योंकि Dad की आवाज़ was really amazing, and I'm really so grateful for this. So moving forward, the second gift which I got was at night 12 o'clock is a collage photo which includes my all the memorable pics and also pics of my brothers and sisters. So that photo will be attached here somewhere. So this is what that photo is, and that also I liked so much क्योंकि that collage photo contains so many memorable pictures, and this was also from my mom and dad, so I liked it so much. Thank you for that photo, and it is really a memorable collage photo for me, and it will be always with me. Thank you so much. So the third gift which I got from one of my best friend is a watch from Hublot Genevieve something, but the watch is really so amazing and I liked it so much क्योंकि it is so amazing and so best till now, क्योंकि मेरे पास ऐसी वॉच नहीं थी and I liked it so much. So thank you so much bro for giving such a wonderful gift, and I liked it so much. So the next gift is a cup and a dish. Here it is written love, and this is a heart-shaped cup which is so cute and I liked it so much. This was from my auntie and I liked it so much, and जब से मतलब बर्थडे के दिन मुझे मिला था and उसके दूसरे दिन से I started taking tea, coffee and green tea all in this cup क्योंकि I like this shape and all. So thank you so much auntie for giving such a beautiful cup and I liked it so much. So the next gift is a dress, and that dress is the dress which I wore up on my birthday, that jacket wala, and that was also a gift from my bhaiya and bhabhi, and that gift was really so amazing. They gifted me this morning, and I really liked it so much. So this is what that t-shirt, that plain t-shirt, and this is what that jacket, and also I got a jeans with that. So I loved that so much. The picture will be here somewhere. I liked it so much. So thank you bhaiya and bhabhi for gifting such a beautiful dress. So the next gift is from our maid. So that is a t-shirt which she gifted me, and this is really so nice t-shirt. I liked it so much, and I was not having any white color ka t-shirt, so I got it. And thank you so much auntie to gift me such a beautiful t-shirt. I also got a new phone which is Redmi Note 8 Pro. The picture will be inserted here, and this was from my dad and mom, and they gifted me क्योंकि मेरा पुराना वाला फ़ोन थोड़ा कम GB वाला था, सो हैंग होने लग गया था, एंड वो कारण से मेरे फ़ोन में बहुत सारे डिफ़िकल्टीज आने लग गए, चल नहीं रहा था एंड ऑल. सो दे गिव मी थोड़े ज़्यादा GB वाला फ़ोन, एंड आई एम रियली सो थैंक यू टू यू बोथ कि उन्होंने मेरी ये वाली प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर दी, एंड आई एम रियली सो हैप्पी फॉर दिस. सो थैंक you so much once again. I'm not doing any type of show off, but I want to thank them all who just gave me these gifts in this dangerous lockdown period. Also, one of the best thing that day happened was when my birthday was celebrated, and after that the dish my mom made was so unique, and I have a short clip about how was the dish got ready. If you guys want to know the recipe, please let me know in the comment section. I will surely make that video with my mom, knowing you how to make the dish. The dish name was boat chaat katori. So you guys just watch that clip. So I hope you liked how the dish got ready, and the dish was so yummy, and I liked that dish also so much. So thank you so much mom again to make such a tastiest and yummiest dish ever. So a big thanks to my dad, to my mom, to my friends, to my relatives, to my all who knows me, who don't know me. Thank you so much, and the special thanks only to my mom and dad. Thank you so much. These all were my memorable things happened on my birthday, which I will never forget. That day I cutted 6 cakes, and I have some of their pictures, like फ्रेंड्स के साथ जो केक कट किए थे वो ऑलरेडी वो वीडियो में, बट अनदर फैमिली मेम्बर्स के घर जब मैं गया एंड जब उन्होंने केक कट किए तो दैट पिक्स आई डिड नॉट इंसर्टेड देयर. सो आई वुड लाइक टू शो दैट ऑल द पिक्स हियर, एंड सॉरी कि मैंने वो वीडियो क्लिप नहीं ली, बट आई हैव दोज पिक्चर्स. सो आई विल जस्ट इंसर्ट, ऑलवेज डिस्टर्बिंग, सो आई विल जस्ट इंसर्ट दैट पिक्चर again. So I will just insert those pictures right after this. Thank you so much for this grand celebration. It really means me a lot, and it was the best day of my life. and I really loved it so much. So thank you each and everyone, and thank you all of you who done this for me, who made my day so special. And also I hope this video did not made you bored up, and you really enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much once again, and if you really like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, and also comment below telling how is the video. And if you haven't watched previous video, go and watch it, and the link is in my description box. And thank you so much once again. Love you all. Bye.